Hello, jr4. Our second lesson talk about human respiratory system. The function of respiratory system help in respiration. Its location in the chest cavity. Respiratory system responsible for respiration process. Respiration process, it's a process which our body gets oxygen from the air to burn the food to get energy. So, respiration process, it's a process that human get energy by burning digested food by oxygen. So, we get oxygen from the air by respiration process to get energy by burning the food. Structure of respiratory system, it consists of nose, pharynx, larynx, trachea, two bronchi, bronchs, lungs, diaphragm. So, it consists of nose, pharynx, larynx, trachea, two bronchi, bronchs, lungs, diaphragm. Nose, the first organ in respiratory system. It's lined with mucus to filter air, blood vessels to warm air. So, nose has mucus and blood vessels. Mucus to filter air, blood to warm air. Number 2. Pharynx. Pharynx, common cavity, leads to esophagus and trachea. Esophagus in the digestive system, trachea in respiratory system. So, pharynx is found in two systems, digestive system and respiratory system. Trachea, it has incomplete cartilage rings to keep it open. It lined with cilia to get up strange object. So it has cartilage rings to keep it open, lined with cilia to eject up strange objects. At the top, it has larynx, is the voice box. Larynx is the voice box. Epiglottis, to prevent food from enter trachea. So the top of trachea has larynx and epiglottis. Larynx is the voice box. Epiglottis prevent food from enter trachea. Give reason. Nose lined with hair and mucus to filter air. Nose has blood capillaries to warm air. Trachea surrounded by incomplete cartilage rings to make it open all the time. Trachea lined with cilia to eject up strange objects. Epiglottis lies in the top of trachea to prevent food enter the trachea. Trachea divided into two bronchi. Bronchi divided into bronchus. Bronchs and with alveoli. Bronchi and bronchs, alveoli, all of them inside the lungs. Lungs surrounded by ribs. Alveoli surrounded by blood capillaries and have thin wall, so allows exchange gases. Blood leaves carbon dioxide and gets oxygen. Give reason. Alveoli had a thin wall, all alveoli surrounded by blood capillaries. to allow exchange gases. That blood leaves carbon dioxide and carries oxygen. So, alveoli has thin wall surrounded by blood capillaries to allow exchange gases. Blood leaves carbon dioxide and carries oxygen. Lungs surrounded by ribs to protect it. Lungs surrounded by ribs to protect it. Diaphragm muscle that separates between chest cavity and abdominal cavity. So, diaphragm separates between digestive system and respiratory system. Diaphragm help in respiration process. Respiration process consists of two processes: inhalation, exhalation. Inhalation, oxygen goes inside lungs. Exhalation, carbon dioxide goes outside lungs. Respiratory system consists of nose, trachea, two lungs that surrounded by ribs and has diaphragm. Mechanism of inhalation: diaphragm moves down, ribs move up, chest cavity enlarged so oxygen goes inside lungs. Mechanism of exhalation: diaphragm moves up, ribs move down, chest cavity becomes small so carbon dioxide goes out lungs. So, inhalation is the opposite of exhalation. Inhalation, oxygen goes inside lungs, but exhalation, carbon dioxide goes outside lungs. Inhalation, diaphragm moves down. Exhalation moves up. Inhalation, ribs move up, but exhalation, ribs move down. Inhalation, chest cavity becomes enlarged, but exhalation, chest cavity becomes small. So, inhalation is the opposite of exhalation. Components of exhaled air. Exhaled air contains water vapor and carbon dioxide. We can test water vapor by the mirror. When we blowing in front of mirror, there is a drops of water formed. Why? Because our exhaled air contains water vapor. We can test carbon dioxide gas by lime water. When we blowing air inside lime water, it becomes turbid or has milky color. So, carbon dioxide, turbid, clear lime water. So, exhaled air contains water vapor and carbon dioxide. Give reason. During inhalation, ribs move up and diaphragm moves down. It makes the chest cavity big so oxygen enters lungs easily. During exhalation, ribs move down and diaphragm moves up. It makes the chest cavity small so carbon dioxide goes out lungs. Clear lime water becomes milky by exhaled air because exhaled air contains carbon dioxide gas. Formation drops of water on the mirror by exhaled air because it contains water vapor. How to keep respiratory system healthy? Stop being in crowded places. Keeping off the cold. Having fruits rich in vitamin C, such as orange and guava. Stop smoking. It damages lungs. Thank you, jr4. We finished our lesson.